South Korea. I am a girl who lives in Korea. Korea is a country in East Asia. It is located on the Korean Peninsula, which extends southward from the eastern part of the Asian continent. Korea is divided into two countries, North Korea and South Korea. I live in South Korea, which is officially known as the Republic of Korea. South Korea is a modern and vibrant country with a rich cultural heritage. The capital city of South Korea is Seoul, which is one of the largest and most dynamic cities in the world. Seoul is a bustling metropolis where ancient traditions coexist with cutting-edge technology and modern architecture. One of the things that make Korea special is its long history. The Korean Peninsula has been inhabited for thousands of years, and it has a rich cultural heritage that reflects its long history of kingdoms, dynasties, and influences from neighboring countries like China and Japan. Korea has a distinct culture that is influenced by Confucianism, Buddhism, and Taoism. These philosophies have shaped Korean society, values, and customs for centuries. Traditional Korean culture places a strong emphasis on respect for elders, family values, and community harmony. One of the most iconic symbols of Korean culture is the hanbok, which is the traditional Korean attire. Hanbok is characterized by vibrant colors and graceful lines. It is worn during traditional festivals, weddings, and other important occasions. Hanbok reflects Korea's deep respect for its culture, heritage, and traditions. Korea is also known for its delicious cuisine. Korean food is flavorful, spicy, and diverse. One of the most famous Korean dishes is kimchi, which is fermented cabbage seasoned with chili peppers and other spices. Kimchi is served as a side dish with almost every Korean meal. In addition to its rich culture and cuisine, Korea is also known for its technological advancements. South Korea is one of the most technologically advanced countries in the world, known for its electronics industry, automotive industry, and cutting-edge research in fields like robotics and artificial intelligence. Korea offers stunning natural landscapes and outdoor activities. One of the most famous natural landmarks in Korea is Mount Halasan, which is located on Jeju Island. Mount Halasan is a dormant volcano and the highest mountain in South Korea. It is a popular destination for hiking and exploring nature. Jeju Island itself is a popular tourist destination, known for its beautiful beaches, lava tubes, and waterfalls. Jeju Island has a unique culture and dialect that is distinct from mainland Korea. Korea has 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Each season has its own beauty and attractions. In spring, cherry blossoms bloom across the country, creating a picturesque scene. In summer, Koreans enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and visiting water parks. Winter brings cool temperatures and occasional snowfall, creating opportunities for skiing and winter sports. In modern times, Korean pop music, known as K-pop, has gained international popularity with groups like BTS and Blackpink. Education is highly valued in Korean society. Korean students are known for their diligence and hard work. Korea has a rich cultural heritage that is celebrated through festivals and holidays throughout the year. South Korea is now one of the world's largest economies and a global leader in technology and innovation. In conclusion, Korea is a country with a rich cultural heritage, modern amenities, and a strong sense of national identity. Living in Korea offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity, where ancient palaces coexist with high-tech cities and where vibrant festivals celebrated both past and present. Korea is a country that continues to evolve and innovate, making it an exciting place to live and explore.